Good morning. Well, bang oras na mga 12:41 AM na pala ng umaga. So, try natin mag-vibe coding ngayon. Actually, gumawa ako ng set ng mga prompts. And tingnan natin kung ano yung magagawa ni Gemini. So, nag-subscribe ako sa Pro. And sayang naman ako hindi magagamit. And ngayon, ito yung mga prompts natin. So, simple lang naman yung mga prompt ko dyan. So, gagawa tayo ng simpleng single web page dashboard, paint program, student enrollment, password manager, fire screen saver, tutorial. So, hopefully magawa niyo yung mga yun ng maayos. Try natin sa simple single web page dashboard. And so, ito yung prompt natin. Create a single web page that will show my to-do list for the day, current weather, and forecast for the day. Show me clothing recommendation and cycling recommendation. For my to-do list, I can add, edit, and delete. Allowing the items put to everything in a standalone HTML file. So, yun. Let's start. Tingnan natin kung ano magagawa nito. Canvas. Visual thinking, tingnan natin ano yung gagawa niya. Create HTML structures. Structure and dashboard components, planning and implementation, refining the weather data, defining the JavaScript logic, implementing weather data, okay, crafting HTML structure, yun. So, nag-start na siya. Ano pa ba? Defining the structure. Of course, there's still blah, 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 blah. Okay, so, minimize natin yan, collapse natin yan. Of course, here's a complete single file dashboard that includes a fully functional to-do list, weather information, and personalized recommendation. I designed it to be clean, modern, and responsive, so it should look great on your desktop or phone. Okay, so hintayin natin na matapos. Sa ngayon, hindi pa siya tapos kasi naka-disable pa yung preview. So, wait natin yan. Although, pwede naman nating mag-view dito sa sa canvas. Dito, galing, ang ganda. Pwede na nating gamitin yung dito para sa browser talaga tatakbo. So, copy natin. Paste natin dyan. Close ko to. Tapos, so refresh natin. Yun. Okay, so ito siya. Responsive kaya. Yun, no? Responsive na. Deletable. Editable. Proposal. Type. Okay, okay. Task. Pwede bigyan ng pan design. Okay. Sige. Tapos ko nabili ng pandesal, tapos na bumili ng kape. So, check natin yung weather. So, ito yung weather. Manila, beach thunderstorm, 26. Ito yung forecast. So, morning 28, afternoon 31, evening. So, parang, okay. So, cloudy siguro to. And then thunderstorm and then rain sa gabi. So, recommendation sa clothing, t-shirt, cycling, not a great tip for any ride. Thunderstorms can make road trip and dangerous. Okay, anyway. Ayos naman. So, simpleng, ano lang, simpleng dashboard. Ayos na yan. So, try natin. Try tayo na iba. Okay, so next na prompt natin ay paint program. So, tingnan natin. Gawa tayo ng paint program. So, wait lang. So, okay, tools, canvas, computer basic tools, layers if possible. Image backup. Sure. To implement dark theme. Yeah. So, kailangan meron tayong dark and light theme. And then yung paint program natin, meron siyang basic tools, layers, tapos if possible, meron siyang way to remove the image background. So, parang siyang background remover ng mga ano yan, mga AI. Pero tignan niyo, of course, hindi ako mag-expect ng malaki kung ano yung magagawa niya rito since AI yun. And then ito HTML tas JavaScript lang. Pero tignan natin kung anong magic yung magagawa niya. So, start show thinking. Okay, crafting a web page. Variables. The pencil brush eraser. The system complex design. Scissor. Pendulous. Expanding page appearance. And now, expanding scope. AI powered background. Ayun, kulit. Light dark theme toggle sa portability. Same session being Tailwind CSS for modern expansion design. It's sort of okay. So, hindi gumagana yung dark and light theme. Tingnan natin sa ano, sa actual na web browser kung ano yung itsura. Okay. Hindi gumagana yung dark and light theme niya. Ay, ano ba? Wala namang error. Anyway, tingnan natin ito. Pwede siya mag-zoom. So, sobrang basic lang yung nagawa niya. Size. Pero ito, tingnan natin kung ano magagawa niya sa background remover. Sa picture. Okay. Permission to perform this action. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ito. Parang wala. Parang wala nangyari. Okay. Well, okay lang. So, hindi na mag-expect ng sobra-sobra dyan. Pero curious ako doon sa ano, doon sa AI-powered na background remover niya. Ano ba yan? AI-powered. So, background remover. Okay. So, pupunta siya dito sa ano, photoroom.com segment. So, meron siyang API. Okay. So, kailangan pa pala ng API. API key. Meron ba siya nasabi na kailangan ng API key? Look this is self-contained. You'll find a blah, one outside the AI para baka remove the set to upload an image and the application blah blah. Can explore. Okay, so ina-upload yung image somewhere dito sa photo room and then siya yung magpa-process ng background removal pero yun lang, kailangan natin ng API. So, hindi natin gagawin yan since third party naman, gawa na lang ulit tayo ng bago. So, and move tayo sa ano. Sa next na prompt natin, student enrollment application with time in and time out. Create a nice modern web application for student enrollment. Data will be saved as JSON to be used for student time nila. So, ayun, okay. Simpleng, ano lang, simpleng prompt lang. Tools, canvas, submit. Creating the foundation. I decide scope for this project. So, defining interface and hopefully immerse the design phase on the implementing submission logic, application, JavaScript pages, and Excel with dedicated buttons, structuring the application, tables, CSS, download JSON, of course, allocate the model zero student. Simple functions student, design to pin, initialize, blah, blah, blah. So, gawin natin sa dedicated na browser. Right. Enrollment. Okay. So, pagka-sign in, so yan. So, ibig iniisip ko, kasi yung enrollment, parang yung registration ata, dapat. Yung prompt natin. Registration form, tapos merong login, logout. Ikay nyo, yung prompt. Yung kaya pa. Try natin ito. Specifying the specification. There should be a student station form. And save this details in JSON. Third layer for okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung magagawa niya ngayon. Show thinking. Okay, so I'm going to be focusing on my system. For vision is not focusing on sound, but data had we can really change some data some the kind of UI, my focus is creating two blah 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 blah. Two-page layout within the single HTML file, okay? So it's two-page layout. Stays in local storage system. So that's why we're designing it time and time after will allow the user to manage student check-in. The data in locals will be loaded and the specific will be matched by ID. Okay, so analyzing layout structure, I've been examining blah blah blah, we're finalizing step structure and application. Okay, so of course I'll update and create two-part system. Okay. Anywho, so tingnan natin kung ano yung nagawa niya. Run natin sa dedicated na browser. And still, walang wala. Wala yung enrollment, wala yung student registration. So, yeah. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, science, register student. Okay, sige. Okay. Okay. So, ito yung mga registered na students. And then, go to time log. Time clock. Student, enter student ID to time in or out. Okay. Students. Fine. Aha. Okay. Okay. Two. So, since nakapag-time in na si Rizal, so, naka-disable na yung time in. So, time out na siya. Wow, galing eh. Kapag wala. Ah, time out, syempre. Balik tayo kay U1. Okay. So, naka-sign in siya nung, okay, so time out. Galing ah. And then, pwede mong ma-download yung log. Kasi na, pwede mo pang expand. So, pwede ka mag-register ulit ng student. Ayos to, ayos to. So, i-time out natin si Carlo. 3, time out. Yun. So far okay siya. Maganda siya. Nagustuhan ko yung ano, nagustuhan ko yung ginawa niya. Alright, ayos na, ayos, ayos. Next na prompt natin, password manager, new chat, canvas. Okay, so ang prompt natin, create a nice modern password manager and strong password generator with this JSON and make sure I can open this files to data without when the save should be encrypted using AES-256. Put everything in standard HTML file. Okay, so thinking process niya, developing structure, detailing architecture, formulating the core logic. Okay, so implementing Crypto.js, encryption, decryption, outlining the structure, okay, defining, planning, and yun. Of course, okay, so sa ang dati, generate stock. So, blah, blah, here, the complete self-contained. So, hintayin natin matapos. So, nag-implement siya ng Crypto.js and CRUD operations. Okay, so, meron siyang add, edit, delete. And, yun. So, tignan natin kung anong, so, since sabi ko, AES 256, so, hopefully yun yung gawin niya. And then, lastly, yung yung code generator, yung password generator. So, tingnan natin kung yung mga gawa nito. Okay, so this single H type of content, everything you need, like, save the file, save the code above the section. Open your browser. Okay, so may iba pa siyang pinapagawa. Click on lock board. To create a new empty board, simply enter a strong mass. So, okay. Alright, launch from once unlocked, you can add, edit, delete, save. Okay, so specifically pinapabuksan niya ito sa dedicated na browser. So, then, Facebook, username, at email.com. Ano yun? Okay. And then, kunwari, ang password natin, yan, very weak. Na napasimple lang natin. Dito lagay SD. Yan. Okay, save. Save vault. So, nag-download siya. Ik. Okay. Ito lock. Okay. So, pupunta siya dun. Okay. Tama ang password. Unlock. Ay, hindi. Natin ulit. So, save vault. Okay, so lock na natin. Hindi niya na hindi niya nababasa yung ano. Hindi niya na-decrypt siguro yung data. O may mali lang sa ano, pag-process ng JSON, pag-open. Baka within sa code, hindi niya na-encrypt malamang. So, tingnan natin kung bakit. Open at model, search, password list action, and password model form. So, pagka-open, open password model, open password model, password edit, load. So, ito yun. So, ito yung nagpakita, decrypt the file. Okay. Ano ka nangyari doon? Natin. Pwede natin i-debug. So, file reader, master password. Natin kung ano, alert, content, content, isang password ko, file, Okay. So, try natin. Load. Ang yaw. Ano yun? Para ayusin yan. So, move on tayo sa next na prompt. Ah, power screensaver. At ang prompt natin ay read for PC bla 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 sounds like a playlist realistic. Make sure I can adjust some sentence spaces like okay, so yun, tingnan natin. So far parang nakakatuwa pala na ginawa niyo yung, ano, yung sa enrollment. Tapos yung login logout. I think parang okay yung ano eh. Okay yung dun sa password manager. Siguro konting adjustment lang dyan. So, yeah. Tingnan natin tong ano. Tong next prompt natin sa fireplace simulation. I think after yung number of I think siguro sobrang dali lang nito. Ayun, okay. So, gano'n lang siya. Okay lang. Intensity. Breathes. Anyway, next. Gloria. So, ito. So, create an interactive C-sharp programming tutorial with Q&A on every end of chapter. Q&A will be multiple choice and make sure to show answers correct or wrong. Put everything okay. So, again, show thinking. And kung pansin nyo nga pala, no? Simple lang yung mga prompt natin. So, gusto natin parang makagawa siya ng isang medyo matinong application using simple prompts. Nakita natin kung gaano niya maiintindihan kung gusto natin ipagawa. Although, sa prompt engineering course, pwede pa natin expand to. I think, pag nakagawa tayo ng mas matino-tinong prompt, I think mas magigets niya yung gusto natin gawin. Especially dito sa, I think sa paint program. Okay din naman yung dashboard. Okay na rin yun, I think, so far. Swell mo sa enrollment. Since kanina, two rounds tayo ng prompt para mas maintindihan niya kasi ito sobrang simple. Sa password manager, so I think kailangan pa ng mas matinong prompt yun. So, ayun. Kailangan ng maganda-gandang prompt and mas descriptive tsaka mas precise. So, yun, para magawa niya yung talagang gusto nating ipagawa sa kanya. So, ayan, okay. So, lastly, yung tutorial, interactive C# programming tutorial. So, ayan, tignan natin kung ano yung magawa niya. Okay, first C# program, classical world. Let's break it down. Test your knowledge. What is the entry point of every C# application? Begin. Which keyword is used to include a name's import? Although, alam naman natin yung sagot. Ang sagot naman na talaga dyan is main. So, yan. Ito yung, ano niya, ito yung pinaka, parang entry point ng program. Okay. And then, next, yung namespace. Ano ba? Which keyword is used to include a namespace in C#? Of course, using. Yan, ito yan. Pwede ka magdagdag na, for example, using system.collections, system.text. Regular expressions, mga ganun, marami actually, marami kang pwedeng gamitin na using, so hindi lang yan. And pwede mo ring tanggalin to, kung ayaw mo yung console application mo na tumanggap ng mga arguments, actually, okay din yan. So, yan. Next, variable and data types. So, declaring variables. Okay, so ito yung string, ito yung int, double, 5.9, bool, true or false, character, single character lang. Okay, common data types. Tapos, pages number. So, ano nga ba? String ba? Double, bool, int, of course, int. Point. Yan, diba? What is the correct way to declare a variable for person's name? So, string ba? Correct way to declare okay. So, declare a variable. So, actually, okay. Quote pala yan. Single quote lang. Kala ko double quote. So, ito yung correct na answer dyan. Kasi pag ito, single quote, dapat ano lang to, yung car, hindi siya string. Although meron tayong string na capital, meron tayong string na maliit. Pareho yan okay, pero yung value mali. Okay, so, pag string, dapat double quote. Control flow. Okay, so make decisions, if a statement, so, and the if, blah, switch, okay, so day 4, ang port, Thursday, break, and so on and so forth. Okay, then, which statement is used to execute code based on the condition being true or false? So, yeah, of course, if and else. Iba kasi ang switch. So, pag sinabi mong switch, ayan, so, kunwari, ito, for case 1, so hindi siya case 1, case 2, hindi siya 1, 2, 3, hanggang ma-reach niya yung 4. So, para siyang if din, pero in a different parang way. Kasi ito, dadaanan pa rin naman niya lahat yan until ma-reach niya yung 4. Okay. Methods. Calling a method. Okay, defining a custom method. Like say hello, method parameters. Okay, so yan. What is another name for a method in programming? How do you pass data? Of course, through parameters. Ayun. So far okay naman yung na-generate na niya C# tutorial. So, very basic. Pwedeng panimula. So, andito yung instructions. And ito yung variable and data types. So, ito yung mga pinaka dapat na matutunan sa simula. So, pag-declare ng variable, tapos yung condition, methods. Actually, kulang pa ito. Dapat meron pa yung loop. So, dapat meron yung for each, while, yung mga yan. So, hindi niya na ano rito. Pero okay na. So far, okay siya. Yun guys. So, yun nga. I think okay naman din tong Gemini Pro. Simple lang yung mga prompt natin, pero so far okay. Okay for enrollment. Okay ako sa enrollment. Sa single page web page dashboard. Password manager, konting enhancement lang ng prompt. magiging okay na yan. As well as dun sa paint. And eto siguro pag dadamihan ko pa to, I think gaganda pa yan. So yun guys, vibe coding. Okay naman, so far. So yun, try nyo rin mag-vibe code, paminsan-minsan. Kung wala kang magawa, paggawa nyo kay Gemini, yung mga naisip nyo ano, gawin. So try natin na gawa tayo ng isa pa. Gawa lang tayo ng game. Uh, eh, thinking like Leonardo. It's interesting. Stand. Stand up. Yan. Shooting arcade. Refining game mechanics. Okay. So sana pala sinabi natin 3D ano. Okay, tingnan natin sa elements. I've also a game elements, player, enemies, and bullets next upon flashing out their respective classes. Team methods, game loop, goal, the bus, the funny game mechanics, bullet, okay yun, ginawa niya. Tingnan natin. Game. Aha, ayos na rin. Pag gumagawa kayo ng prompt, huwag niyo nang sabihin can you. Huwag na kayo mag-can you o kaya ano, kung ano man yung parang hinihiling nyo. Parang gawin nyo pag nagpa-prompt kayo. Parang sabi mo na agad kung ano yung gusto mong ipagawa sa kanya. Huwag yung can you kasi talagang gagawin niya yan. So, ano sabihin natin, word, it, shooting game. Yeah. Yeah. Huwag na yung parang can you convert it. May question mark pa. I-insist mo na ito yung gusto mong gawin. Ipagawa sa kanya. Yan. Huwag mo nalagyan ng question mark, can you? Kaya hindi naman ano yan, hindi naman siya tatanggi. Gagawin at gagawin pa rin yan. Kaya sabi mo lang kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, ipagawa. Okay, so na-edit na niya yung code. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magagawa niya ngayon. Tapos na siya. Preview. Start. What the? Parang baliktad pa yung spaceship. Right there. What? Alright. Anyway. Nice na yan. Ayun guys. guys. So far okay naman. Okay na. Yung, yung next time ulit kung anong maisip na paggawa, i-vibe code kay Gemini. So, yun. Ayun ko na lang to.